Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Chukwuyoke, founder of Skyrock Digital. At Skyrock Digital, we're into web creation, brand designing, digital marketing, and printing press. We have a well-equipped team that will guide you if you need our services. So in this video, we'll be discussing the section 3 of my most anticipated course, Softwork Web Creation Masterclass. Now, the title of this section is Fundamentals of Web Creation. When you talk about fundamentals, you are talking about the foundation. You are talking about what you must do. You are talking about the best practice of web creation, the best practice of creating a website, what you must do, the steps you must follow, the fundamental of everything. And when the fundamental of you practicing web creation is wrong, your entire website is wrong. That's why this section is one of the most important sections in this masterclass, the fundamentals of web creation. So I read, web creation is the art and science of creating visual, appealing, functional, and user-friendly websites. A well-designed website attracts visitors and ensures smooth navigation, readability, and engaging user experience. 48% of visitors will leave your site if it's visually unappealing or has poor functionality. Below are the fundamental aspects of creating a website without coding. 1. Plan before you build. Plan your website before you start creating a website. 2. Choose the right platforms. 3. Branding. Color palettes and typography must be okay. 4. Visual hierarchy. Your site must have a very good visual hierarchy. 2. Navigation. Your website will be easy to navigate, easy to understand. 5. Yes, 5. 6. Precautions. There are precautions you have to take. Precautions like SSL active. Your site will be SSL activated, optimized. Your site must be mobile friendly. Your site must appear in Google search engine optimization. It makes your site look legit. These are the precautions. Then the last one, which is the 7th one, is review after creation. So after creating your website, you have to review it.